2010 4Runner cabin and air filter replacement. For the air filter, come and get these clips off the air box. Obviously, you got to be under your hood here. There's about 4 of these things. There's one that's kind of hidden in the back here. Go ahead and get this off. Just use your thumb to pull them off, and then you'll just gently lift this up. Sometimes it could be a little stubborn. You kind of got to wiggle it and pull it up. Once this is lifted up, you could just kind of snake your filter out. Just grab it and slide it out. A lot easier with 2 hands. I got 1 hand on my camera, but there you go. Get it out. Here it is. This is a Toyota factory one. Here's the part number that was on it. Obviously, I recommend getting a Toyota factory one, but I have a aftermarket MicroGuard. Here's my MicroGuard part number. Nothing wrong with MicroGuard. They're good filters. There's a back order on the Toyota filters right now. That's why I got a MicroGuard. Go ahead and just lift your airbox up, slide that in like that. Put this back over it, and then these should be clipping on pretty easy. You shouldn't have too much struggle with these. So like rearrange the box if it's not working right, or push down a little bit. Maybe it's not set right. And that's how you do your air filter. Now for the cabin filter, come in here, open your glove box, get all your stuff out. Anything you got in here, just move it out. This little panel comes off. There's a little spot here to undo it, and right here to undo it. Drop that down. Here's your cabin filter door. Same kind of thing, just 2 tabs on the side. Hit the tabs, or push down on the tabs and hold them, and then take the panel off. There's a little up arrow right here. Your new filter will have an up arrow, and you have to make sure they're both pointed up. Let's go and pull this off. Now, when pulling this out, if there's leaves and stuff, try not to drop any leaves in there. If you get like even 1 little leaf inside your blower motor, it'll make noise when you have it on high. So do your best to not get any leaves out. If they fall, it's not a big deal. You can get them out. Obviously, with the key out of the vehicle and the vehicle off and no power or nothing, you could reach in here and grab any leaves with your fingers. Here's my part number. This is the Toyota cabin filter. This is the actual part number. Here's that up arrow I told you about right there. When you slide this in, it should look like this. The up arrow should be pointing up, and then when you put this on, your up arrow on here should be pointing up as well. That's just for it to filter the best way. You know, that filter has like a way it goes. All the filtering stuff is on one side of the filter. Put that back in there, and that's it. So I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next video.